Okay, guys, welcome. So I have this question from JAM 2004, question 74, where we are asked to evaluate 1 divided by 10 times 2 divided by 3 plus 1 over 4, all divided by 1 over 2 divided by 3 over 5 minus 1 over 4. So quickly we jump into this by writing solution. All right, next we take note of the following that we're going to solve our numerator and denominator separately first, and we're going to do this by applying BODMAS rules. And we take note of the fact that according to BODMAS rules, multiplication and division comes first before addition and subtraction. What this implies is that in solving this in evaluating this particular fraction, the part of it that involves multiplication and division, we're going to work on those parts first before we proceed to the other part that involve addition and subtraction. Hence, from our numerator, we have 1. We have 1 times 1 divided by 10 times 2 over 3 plus 1 over 4. Just copying out our fraction out again. So we have 1 over 2. Write this properly. Okay, 1 over 2 divided by 3 over 5 minus 1 over 4. Now at our numerator, we have 1 over 10 times 2 over 3. What we'll do here, we just say 2 here 1, 2 into 10. 2 into 10 gives us 5. So at our numerator, we end up having a 1 times 1, that's 1, divided by 5 times 3 gives us 15 plus 1 over 4. All right. While at our denominator, we have 1 over 2 divided by 3 over 5 division. We convert our division to multiplication. We have times 5 goes up and 3 comes down, minus 1 over 4. Now solving further, at our numerator, we have 15, we have 4. We look for the LCM of 15 and 4. That itself is 60. Now, 60 divided by 15 gives us 4. 4 times 1, we have 4. All right? Plus 60 divided by 4, we have 15. 1 times 15, we have 15. All right? I'll proceed to our denominator. We have 1 over 2 times 5 over 3. So we have 1 times 5 gives us 5. 2 times 3 gives us 6. Minus 1 over 4. All right. So we'll continue to solving. 4 plus 15 gives us 19. So I have 19 over 60. All right. While at our denominator, continue with our solving, we make our 24 LCM. Make 24 LCM. So 24 divided by 6, it gives us 4. 4 times 5, we have 20. We have 20 minus 24 divided by 4, we have 6. 6 times 1, we have 6. So this gives us 19. 60 divided by 20 minus 6, we have 14 over 24. Now what we have here can also be expressed as 19 over 60 divided by 14 over 24. This in turn is equal to 19 over 60 times 24 over 14. Now we'll proceed to cancel out, and we'll have 24 here. 24 divided by 6, we have 4. 60 divided by 6, we have 10. 4 divided by 2, we have 2. 10 divided by 2, we have 5. All right. 2 divided by 2, we have 1. 14 divided by 2, we have 7. So at our numerator, we end up having 19 times 1, we have 19. While at our denominator, we have 5 times 7, gives us 35. So therefore, our answer is 19 over 35. Thank you.